Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit funds into your Interactive Broker's account. The most common and reliable method is a wire transfer. First, ensure your bank account is properly linked within the IBKR client portal. This step is crucial for a smooth and secure transaction process. We'll walk through each step together. To begin, log into your IBKR client portal. Navigate to the Transfer and Pay menu, then select Transfer Funds. From there, you'll choose Deposit Funds and specify wire transfer as your preferred method. This initiates the process on the IBKR side, preparing for your bank's action. It's a straightforward path.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of staying sharp, an Owala water bottle helps you stay hydrated and focused throughout your trading day. Check the description for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
After selecting wire transfer, Interactive Brokers will present you with their specific bank wire instructions. These details are essential for your bank to send the funds correctly. Always include your unique IBKR account number in the reference or memo field. Also, check with your bank regarding any daily transfer limits before initiating the wire. Now, take the provided IBKR wire instructions to your bank and initiate the transfer. Funds usually arrive in your Interactive Broker's account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and location. Once complete, you can easily verify the deposit status directly within your IBKR client portal. Keep an eye on your notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.